How to see story activity on Facebook. In this video, I'll show you guys how to easily find your story activity settings. First of all, open up your Facebook, and once you land on the Facebook page, tap on the menu icon at the top right, then simply tap on the profile icon. Once you land on your profile page, the next step is to actually go ahead and find your settings menu by tapping on the three lines. Right besides the edit profile, you'll get to your profile settings. Tap on activity log, and once you land on this page, you will see your story activity setting right up top. You can just tap on it, or under your Facebook activity, you can find your story activity right here. Click on manage story activities, and you should be able to see all of your story activity right here. You could even filter it out with your different categories, your stories, or if you can do, you could filter out your activity as well, story activity, and you should be good to go. That is it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.